email automation and why it's necessary for coaches to generate leads. So email automation is crucial for coaches looking to generate leads for several compelling reasons. Maybe, you know, the coaches want to do the consistent follow-ups. The workflow automations will be with the personalized communication. It can help with the efficient lead nurturing. You know, you can do an improved time management, and also, you know, you can scale it a lot, right? The scalability becomes very, very crucial, right? And through Digiscale, it becomes very easy to set up automations. On the Digiscale dashboard, you just come into the automation option, you just click on it, and here you will see the workflows, content AI, campaigns, triggers, and, you know, workflow settings as well. Below is all the workflow list. You can see it here. I am using this for my lead generation process as well. So, right, you can click on the button create workflow, and here you will find two options: select a recipe and a start from scratch, right? If you want to start from scratch, you can do it, but we'll explore the recipes, the pre-built templates, right? So we have import from a campaign, recipe for lead nurturing, for Shopify orders, for WhatsApp delivery status, right? And we have, you know, so many pre-built options that you can use. My favorite is using the email drip sequences that I use to run email campaigns to my clients, right? But if you want to do from the scratch, you can do it. But, you know, I'll prefer you, if you are a beginner, you use a pre-built template, right? So we'll hop on again to the email drip sequences. Where it is? Oh yeah, here it is. So we'll just select, and, you know, you will be redirected to a canvas where you will see all the workflow, right? So yeah, here you go. This is just loading. Okay, so, you know, you can set triggers, conditions to automate your email sequences. So we'll start with the parent email, that is email 1. You just click on it. You will have all the template, like you can set the email name, you can, you know, set the sender name, from which email it is going. The subject, you know, you can write the subject as well, and you can set the email. Like here I'm doing as test at xyz.com. You can write the subject again, and here is the email template, right? So I'm just writing test here. You can send a test email to yourself to, you know, test, and then you can just save the action, right? So here is the email has been set. You can set the condition that if you want to wait for 1 day after the parent email is sent, the first email is sent, you want to wait for 1 day, you want to wait for 2 days or 3 days, or, you know, whatever you like, whatever your strategy is. Then you have the parameters: was the email open, was the email, you know, didn't open. You have these conditions, like, right? And after this, you can set further emails to nurture your leads, right? Whether the email was open after 1 day or not, you can, you know, actually reduce the time duration as well. My favorite is if the email was open, I like to send the second email within 5 minutes, right? So, you know, you can just play around with the options and be able to nurture your leads, right? So this goes same for the email template 2 as well. Here I'm doing again the same. test at xyz.com. Test. You can set up, you know, different email templates, whatever content you like, right? So this is how you set up a workflow. You set up a drip sequence for email campaigns that you can run onto your clients, right? I hope this all makes sense. Once you are done with this workflow, you just, you know, you need to publish it. I'll rename it. And I also want to show you to show you that how you can run this drip sequence to your clients as well, right? So I'm just renaming it as test workflow. I'll save it.